Welcome to a walkthrough of the Happy Teachers Google Sheets Planner. The planner has various features such as the setup, timetables, to-do lists, homework and exam trackers, reflection and well-being. You can find these tabs in the navigation menu at the top or at the bottom of the sheet. To get started, you want to begin with the setup page. First, select your preferred week start date, either Monday or Sunday. After that, add your timetable for the year. You'll notice there are two timetables available, one for a single week and one for a 2-week cycle. If you only need a 1-week timetable, you can delete the Week B table and tab at the bottom of the sheet. Next, scroll down to find the to-do list section. You can modify the subject list to fit your needs, such as changing it to topics if you teach only one subject. This planner is easily editable to match your requirements. For the to-do list, start by setting up your categories. You can tailor these categories based on the types of tasks you manage. Here are a few ideas for categories. Setting up the to-do list, you can designate who is responsible for each task, such as a department member. This feature is particularly useful if you manage a team. Moving on, let's look at the homework and exam trackers. In the homework section, categorize tasks based on the effort required. Go to the homework section, which I'll go through later, to record when students submit their work. Exam tracker, you'll find 6 categories, one for each assessment or exam. Adjust the total marks and grade boundaries according to each exam requirement. For example, if one paper is worth 64 marks and another 80, you can set these values and adjust the grade boundaries accordingly. Now, let's dive into the planning section. With your setup complete, updating your weekly plan is quick and easy. At the top of each page, there's a mood tracker where you can log how you're feeling, provide an average mood for the week. Adjust lesson times as needed. Instead of retyping each lesson, choose it from the drop-down menu or enter a letter or number. The subject column works the same way. Use the notes section to add lessons, overviews, activities, homeworks or reminders. Next, let's explore the to-do list category. Here, you can input your tasks. Once you set up your categories, use the drop-down menu or type to populate the cells with your task types. Enter start dates and deadlines, and the planner will calculate how many days you have left. Prioritize your tasks as high, normal or low to ensure you tackle the most important tasks first. The status column and person in charge will help you keep track, and charts will appear at the top to give you a visual reminder of your tasks. In the homework section, you'll find cells for 40 weeks. Enter students' names in the first column and track homework efforts each week. Use the drop-down menu or type to record effort levels. A bar chart at the end allows you to filter and view individual students' homework completion and effort. For the exam tracker, after setting up the marks and grades, simply add students' names and their exam scores. Columns highlighted in yellow will automatically generate grades and marks. If any exam details change, you can adjust them in the setup section. A bar chart at the end will let you view individual students' grades. Finally, the wellbeing section is where you can reflect on your week. This is a crucial part of maintaining balance as a teacher. At the end of the week, rate your moods at the beginning and end, review how your classes went, and jot down any additional notes to help improve your future weeks. In the personal wellbeing section, track your habits to promote self-care. Choose to focus on daily or weekly habits or both. Check off completed tasks and watch a flower grow, which visually represents your progress. You'll also see your current and longest consistencies. Lastly, you can print your schedule directly for a handy physical copy to keep at your desk. And that's it. The Happy Teacher Google Sheets Planner is fully customizable to fit your needs and is available in our yellow and blue version or our neutral colours. I hope this planner helps you stay organised and makes you a happier teacher. Happy planning.